Welcome to Tutorials by David, everyone. Today, we will have a quick review of the VProp Trader. Today, I am breaking down the VProp Trader, which is a funded trader program that's turning heads in 2026. From the start, you'll notice the straightforward evaluation model with the real market conditions, low entry costs, and clear profit targets that fit both new and experienced traders. What stands out is their scaling plan, where consistent performance can quickly grow your funded account, plus flexible risk parameters that actually make sense for day traders. Payouts are really fast and competitive, and their platform integrates seamlessly with major trading tools. There are a few catches like strict consistency, rules, and time limits, but overall, VProp Trader 2026 Pro delivers one of the most realistic and trader friendly paths to funding this year.